Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15DA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you are experiencing rapid battery drainage on your HP 15DA, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to a number of factors, including aged batteries and background processes consuming power unnecessarily. If left unaddressed, your device may become unusable, leading to further inconvenience and potential data loss. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new compatible battery for your HP 15DA. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by flipping the device over and locating the battery release latches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry the back panel off, being cautious not to damage any internal components. With the back panel removed, you should see the battery clearly marked. It is typically held in place by screws and possibly a connector. Unscrew the battery from its position, ensuring to remember the orientation of the wires. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, taking care not to pull on any other nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. Next, secure the battery with the screws you previously removed. After replacing the battery, carefully align the back panel and press it into place before reinserting the screws to secure it. Finally, power on your HP 15DA and check the battery status to ensure it is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly check your battery health and avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods when fully charged. Additionally, keeping your software updated can help manage power consumption efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.